Mud flaps not only protect the other vehicles around you, but they deflect road debris and prevent the elements from getting caught up in your truck and damaging the cargo. I'm Elle Rottinghouse. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, it's Zips mud flaps. First, you need to do a quick measurement on your truck to know what dimensions you need. Then you can easily install these durable, heavy-duty black rubber mud flaps on your equipment. Zips mud flaps have lengths available in 12, 14, 18, and 30 inches for light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks. Did you know that the bracket mounting mud flap design that is most commonly used today was invented by Oscar Glenn March during World War II? If mud flaps weren't so effective, they wouldn't continue to be used after all these years and required in many states by law for heavy-duty trucks. If you need a new set of mud flaps or it's time to get a couple replaced, shop Truck Chassis Accessories on Zips.com.